Welcome to Crash Cases, where split-second choices carve lasting stories. Here, real crashes become lessons etched in steel and asphalt, reminding us how fragile each mile can be. Settle in, steady your breath, and follow the road as it reveals what unfolds when awareness slips. Footage shows a Lowe's truck hit from the side, overturning and sliding into an SUV at a red light. Stay alert at intersections and keep a safe following gap.
Oh God! Shit! Yes! Wow.
Losing control, a container truck crossed the divider, hit 3 cars in the opposite lane, then fell into a ditch. Stay focused and slow down on complex routes. Close-up shows a bridge giving way as vehicles pass, linked to heavy rain and deterioration. Stay cautious near aging structures and follow official safety alerts. A container truck ran a red light, causing a severe crash and damaging multiple vehicles. Respect signals and always slow down at intersections to stay safe. Footage captures a moving vehicle striking a parked car, causing a near miss for nearby pedestrians. Stay alert around roadside stops and keep a safe buffer.
Go ahead and start med units. It means a third.
Trying to overtake in a narrow section led to a direct collision with an oncoming truck. Avoid risky passes and wait for clear space to stay safe. A chain collision occurred amid low visibility caused by snow, leading to a dangerous situation on the road. Slow down in winter conditions and keep a wide safety gap. A drunk driver tried to flee from two patrol cars, veered off the lane, and collided with an oncoming vehicle. Never drive under the influence and always protect others. Near a construction junction by the ash dump, a truck lost control and struck the guardrail, overturning afterward. On the highway, a truck with its bed raised struck a pedestrian overpass, causing a severe incident. Always check vehicle equipment and stay alert near low clearance structures. Dozens of vehicles, including trucks and cars, lost control on an icy stretch, triggering a major chain collision. Slow down on frozen roads and increase your stopping distance.
Oh my God! Lucia, call 911. Call 911. Oh my God, hold on. It's the road.
On a wet road while shifting right toward a fuel station, a car was struck by a falling container trailer. Keep clear of large trucks on slippery surfaces. Every scene you witnessed carries a truth written in momentum and consequence. Let these moments linger not as fear but as clarity for the roads you travel next. Respect the distance, read the cues. Protect your space. Drive with intention. And if this opened your eyes, like, share and subscribe to keep these stories alive and the lessons within them moving forward with you.